Hi guys, it's dinner time. I got some potatoes I'm cooking up here, and then I got some onions, some ground beef, peppers. I'm going to throw all that together, and then I'm going to put it on a tortilla with cheese. Okay, I got the ground beef, I got the peppers, the onions. Potatoes are already browned up, so I'm just letting it simmer now, all together. And then I'll be shredding some cheese, putting it on a shell, and then rolling it up and then browning it back in the pan again. Good stuff. While I'm waiting for dinner to cook, I just wanted to check out those red and orange colored leaves. Now in Michigan they're already brown, but I'm in Kentucky, and oh yeah, that's right, I'm in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. When I went through Bardstown, I waved at Michael. Okay guys, so here it is. I got my cheese over here. I'm gonna try to set this up so you can see. Yeah, maybe. There we go. Put down some cheese. Spatula. Okay. Now roll it up. Oop. Okay. See that steam? Look at that steam. Ooh. Good stuff. Now normally I would, my pan's full, but normally I would take and put it back in the pan and caramelize both sides of the tortilla. Oh, so good. Let's see. Say grace. Here we go. Taste test. Mmm. Wow, is that good. So the cool thing is tomorrow morning I'll take some of that, throw it back in the pan, and then I'll crack an egg in there and do the same thing. I'll roll it up, put some cheese on it, and then I'll have like a morning breakfast burrito. So I've done this before when I was living in the van in the work parking lot. And this will make me 6-7 meals probably, depending. Well, I'll probably have 3 of these today, so I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe like 3 meals. All right. To quote my friend Charlie, Boondock Charlie, the blog is down. All right, that was really good. I stopped myself at 2. Not sure how I did it, but trying to lose weight here.